Hon Tsutsumi is a very creative way to wrap two items of the same size. Hon means book in Japanese.
Lay a furoshiki with the printed side down and turn it diagonally. Place two boxes of the same size in the center. Take one box and roll it towards one corner as you bring the fabric over the box. Then flip the wrapped box towards the center. Turn the furoshiki diagonally again with the boxes in place. Take the two remaining ends towards the center of these boxes. Cross and pull them so that the ends are tucked between the boxes. Flip and stand the boxes on side. Pull and bring the two ends to the center and make a bow. There you have it!